साथमा हुनुहुन्छ Dr. Gaurav Kumar. He is the founder of Swadi Health, the administrator for
partnership between the it's a tripartite agreement between the CRH, Swadi Health, where Mr. Dr. Gaurav is.
I am very happy that the Suswastha Yojana, which is the Employees Health Services Scheme for the Health and Family Welfare Department of the Government of Sikkim, has partnered today with Central Referral Hospital of Sikkim Manipal University, which is the largest. And this collaboration between the hospital and Suswastha Yojana, Employees Health Services Scheme, is very important because it will extend specialty and super specialty care to all the people of the state of Sikkim. And
All the employees.
And the employees and their family members. Suswastha Yojana was inaugurated on 29th of April 2021 by the hands of Honorable Chief Minister of the State of Sikkim and the Honorable Health Minister. This scheme covers approximately 1,20,000, 1,30,000 people who are the regular employees of the Government of Sikkim and their dependent family members in a scheme of 1+5, which means one employee can take 5 dependents on himself or herself in a family plan, and they are covered in a healthcare insurance of up to 20 lakhs of rupees, of which 10 lakhs is reserved for a base care or meant for general multi-specialty healthcare, and additional 10 lakhs of critical care cover, which is meant for critical illnesses like ICU, cancer, vehicular accidents, and so on and so forth. Suswastha Yojana is a very transformational healthcare initiative of the Government of Sikkim on a national basis, because first of all it has the largest healthcare insurance cover in the entire country, which is run by either a state or a central government. At 20 lakhs rupees of care, it's the largest insurance scheme in the country run by a government. And to power this, the contributions from the employees are the minimum in the country at 200 rupees per person per month, which is the minimum in the country. There are certain initiatives within the Suswastha Yojana which are happening for the first time in any government initiated insurance scheme. For example, covering of daycare procedures like chemotherapy, dental, ophthalmology, and so on and so forth, covering of critical care, vehicular accidents, focus on women's health, for example, maternity, neonatal and child care, and treatments for infertility, and so on and so forth. I encourage people who are watching this program to visit our website, which is suswasthasikkim.com, and read about the Yojana in detail to understand the benefits and avail the benefits as soon as possible by enrolling themselves and their family members. Thank you.
Thank you, Doctor. That's the holistic, that is his part, that, they are, as a part of the insurer, they'll be taking care of all the, government officers, government employees and the dependents. And we as a partner now, we are going to partner with them as the provider. Okay, so this is a tripartite agreement, and I thank the government of Sikkim and the Swati Health for partnering with the Central Referral Hospital and giving us the opportunity to serve the people of Sikkim, especially who need critical care, especially whoever needs to be treated here. So this will be, hopefully this would be a very fruitful partnership, and the best part about this whole program is that, in this we are only going to provide people, all the employees and the dependents, private rooms and semi-private rooms. So that is a very big advantage the people are going to get in this program. And apart from that, but we have a limited private room capacity. In spite of that, we have worked it out with the Swati Health that in case we are not able to provide the private rooms, then they are willing to also give the benefit to people in the general ward also. So depending on the availability of the private rooms, we will be doing that. So this the other benefit of this program is even covering dental care. So that is a very big advantage which most insurers actually don't provide. Dental care is one thing which they don't provide, and again is the fact that there's a pre-existing diseases are also covered. So this is something which is again very advantageous to people who have already some disease, and then most of the other insurers wouldn't do that. And so this is a vision, or the thought process of the government of Sikkim to provide good health care and support to the meeting. So I said, let's begin. And then, so just to give you an introduction, I told you about this Suswastha Yojana. This is a government of Sikkim, and I just wanted to tell everybody is that our dean has just recently joined, so we also welcome him to Sikkim, and I hope he has a very fruitful stay in our. Fit in this whole scheme is the coverage is of rupees 20 lakhs. So that is a very good coverage, which this, and newborn baby is also covered. Most of the other schemes do not do that. So most of the time. So this is a partnership. Hopefully, it will benefit the people. It will benefit. It will bring up the best in the Central Referral Hospital, and we need the support of the media house. We need the support of the people to come forward and take benefit of this scheme. And from our end, from the Central Referral Hospital and the Sikkim Manipal University, we will try our best to give the best to the people as far as possible. We will try our best to do that. With these words, I thank you all for coming here, and at such a short notice. Thank you very much.
To CRH. Thanks for coming. What I would like to tell the people of Sikkim is that in 1997, March 7, I started this hospital as the founder superintendent of CRH Sikkim. The aim of Manipal Foundation was to give the best health care to the people of Sikkim and northeastern region. And over the years, we have tried our best to fulfill that mission. And today we have our able medical superintendent, Dr. Yogesh Verma, who is only looking for opportunities to serve the people of Sikkim in the best possible way and reach all strata of society. And we are only going to improve by the day, taking all the possible suggestions from the people of Sikkim, from the government of Sikkim, and also from the media. So we are at your service. The motto of Manipal is to live to serve. We have no other motto. We want to serve people. That is our aim. And today is one of the days where we are adding to our existing facilities. We are also adding today a special ICU. Also, we are adding HDU. HDU means high dependency unit in the Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology. So with these two words, I would like to again seek your cooperation and the wide publicity that you would be giving to all the facilities that are available in CRH Sikkim. So let us work together for the better health of our fellow beings. This is our endeavor. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Which we have started. These two facilities are state-of-the-art facilities, and in other floors. But now this facility will be available at site, at the in the emergency department itself. Now we have a very good
Communications, telemedicine, etc. in this. Now these discussions are underway, and announcements will be made by the government of Sikkim regarding expansion of the services. Similarly, this year the program is offered, or the scheme is being offered to regular employees and up to 5 dependent family members for Suswastha Yojana, and discussions are underway to include other categories of employees also, including retired employees next year onwards. Announcements regarding that will also come from the government of Sikkim. Now, as per the guidelines of the Government of Sikkim Health and Family Welfare Department, the objective is to include 400 top tier hospitals across India in this, and today we are close to empanelment with 200 of these hospitals, and in the next 2 to 3 months we should be able to include 400 top tier multi-specialty hospitals across India in this. I would like to take a few names. In the city of Gangtok, we have partnered with Central Referral Hospital, for which the program is there. We are also in conversation with the authorities of the STNM hospital to offer STNM hospital also on the panel of Suswastha Yojana. Currently, STNM hospital is on a reimbursement basis with Suswastha Yojana, and similar administrative agreements are progressing with STNM hospital as well. The nearest destination for medical care is Siliguri, and in Siliguri we have today Anandalok Hospital, North Bengal Neurosciences Center, Medica Hospital. Apart from that, we are in the process of signing agreement with Dr. Naik and Nivedita. There are a few dental and fertility centers in Siliguri who have signed with us, for example, New Life, Nova IVF, and Anaya Dental Care. The next destination, which is very popular for treatment outside Sikkim, is New Delhi. There is a long list of hospitals in New Delhi which is available on our website. But to name a few, Medanta, the Medicity, which is the largest accredited private hospital in India, is on a cashless empanelment with us. Apart from that, Fortis Hospital, Apollo Hospital, Max Hospital, BLK Hospital, they are all in various stages of signing the agreement. And they are also on a cashless basis. In Calcutta, we have Ambri Hospitals, Medica Hospital, Narayana, Dr. Devi Shetty's Narayana Health, and we have got approximately about 200 dialysis centers across India for provision of dialysis services. We have one of the largest cancer care providers, which is American Oncology Institute, which runs approximately about 8 to 9 hospitals across India, also in our panel. So such information is updated on the website every week, and I encourage everybody who is watching this news release to visit our website, and you will be able to see and download the list of hospitals for both reimbursement and cashless facilities with Suswastha Yojana.
All our facilities
Yeah.
to the
I
best
would like
level.
to. I would like to tell you today itself, we are doing a, the stenting of the aneurysms
Yes.
of the brain aneurysms, that can burst and there can be brain hemorrhage. So something like they put the stent or the coils in the heart, we can put a coil in the aneurysms of the brain. So we have got a special interventional neuroradiologist. We have borrowed him from Visakhapatnam, and he will be doing that. And we are going to have such regular things because this aneurysm is very common in the hilly areas. So we have an in-house neurosurgeon who has, collaborating with the interventional neurosurgeons or neurologists or the interventional neuroradiologists, and we are going to provide that. So our aim is to provide such high-level care to people of Sikkim at their doorstep. Instead of you going to Visakhapatnam, you going to Chennai, or you going to Bangalore or Delhi, we will bring those doctors here. With the help of our doctors in-house, we are going to provide those facilities.
In the next phase, we'll be taking up these issues also. But currently, we do not have a cancer center at the moment. We don't have a cancer unit at the moment. Of course, we operate cancer patients, but then, we do not have the radiotherapy unit and all. So, in the near future, probably, yes, we will work it out.
But we have an excellent world-recognized comprehensive cancer care center in Manipal, main Manipal in Karnataka state. And we can have a sort of, till we establish our own cancer care center here, we can actually liaise with our cancer care center in Manipal, which has got everything. For example, cancer surgeries, radiotherapies, and medical oncology, that is chemotherapies, and palliative care, and all other facilities we have. and we can actually, have an understanding with our own mother Manipal, and we will provide that. And soon we are going to extend that facility here in our next phases.
Currently also we are providing it like that.
दो ब्लैंकेट दिया था
Eight beds here with two beds there for the isolated patients. You from ICU, sir. So we have a total of 10 beds here.
Yeah.
We have 8 beds here, 2 beds isolated beds.
Yeah.
So if any infected cases comes, we'll put them there. We have all the facilities here for
Independence unit means it's a bridge between normal ward and the ICU. But after the patient recovers little bit, before shifting back to the ward, we put them here. Similarly, from the ward, suppose the patient's BP suddenly goes up, but not so much as to straight away put into ICU. So those patients are kept here. From here, we may shift the patient to ICU if the patient's condition deteriorates. So it's like a bridge between the ward and the ICU. There are set protocols which patient should go to HDU, which patient should go from HDU to ICU, and from there it's like a step down. So this is a very important addition to our already existing facility.
द्वितीयपराधे कपञ्चशततमे वर्षे प्रथमे मासे प्रथमे पक्षे प्रथमे वर्षे अन्न द्वितीययामे तृतीये श्रीश्वेतवराहवे समर्पणकर्याष्टाविंशतितमे कलियुगे कलि आनंद नाम संवत्सरे श्रीमन्मगधराशिस्थानतीर्थसत्स्वयंगुणविशेषणविशिष्टाय शिवपुण्डनिधौ जम्मू दिव्य भारतदेशे सिकन्दरदेशे गान्तुकनमस्तान्तर्गता मणिपाल यथा नामोऽहं भगवतदासोऽहं तथा सर्वजनहिताय सर्वजनसुखाय भगवतदासोऽहं भगवतो बलेन भगवतो वीरेण भगवता तेजसा भगवत भागवत सरला हरि ओम स्वस्ति न इंद्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति न बृहस्पतिर्दधातु।
Suman, now you explain.
For emergency patient, and one is isolation room. Any very sick COVID patient or any such patient will be having there. So we are having 5 plus 1 6 ventilator for each bed, and we are having a defib monitor. Everything is ready. So whichever patient who will come in emergency, so we'll be bringing the patient here. We'll be resuscitating here, and once the patient is resuscitated, we'll be admitting them in emergency ICU. We'll stabilize the patient, and after that we'll be shifting the patient to the maybe SICU, CCU, or OBS ICU, whichever department the patient is supposed to be shifted.
This is like first stop.
Yes, sir.
Then they will send the patient to whichever department. Suppose it's a pregnant lady, they first take care of the critical situation, then they will shift to OBG HDU, just now what we saw, or ICU. Similarly, if it's a heart patient, they will shift the patient to cardiac ICU or neuro ICU, things like that. This is the emergency. He is our emergency medicine specialist.
So do you have a
There are certain big hospitals which have got trauma separate and emergency separate, but we are here looking after all the patients.
This
So
is
we
like
have
a,
an operation theatre next door.
This is like an emergency cum trauma center.
yeah.
It is emergency cum trauma. Like it's a first stop. You patients do not know where to go. We know as doctors, this is trauma case, this is a surgery case, this is OBG case. They don't know where to go. They simply want to come to emergency room.
Yeah.
Correct? No. So they come here. We will decide whether it's a polytrauma case, whether it should go to orthopedics, whether it should go to surgery, whether it should go to OBG, whether it should go to cardiology, neurology, neurosurgery. So they are like the first stop.
कक्षा 10वीं और 12वीं के बच्चों के लिए है सुनहरा मौका। 10वीं के बच्चों के लिए है पैरामेडिकल कोर्स और 12वीं के लिए है मेडिकल कोर्स। किफायती फीस और बैंक की सुविधा के साथ विभिन्न डिग्री डिप्लोमा है उपलब्ध। सभी स्ट्रीम के बच्चों के लिए खुली है AICTE, KNC, INC, PCI द्वारा अनुमोदित भारत सरकार और राज्य संकाय बेंगलोर विश्वविद्यालय के तहत PCI नई दिल्ली ISO 9001-2008 से प्रमाणित। अदन पैरामेडिकल एंड नर्सिंग कॉलेज। कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर 8016235569, चंपासारी, सिलीगुड़ी।
50 से 70% कम कीमतों पर लाजवाब डिजाइन, ब्रांडेड फर्नीचर, गारंटी सहित मजबूती का वादा। मौका है यही, बना लो इरादा। बेडरूम सेट, सोफा सेट, डाइनिंग सेट, आउटडोर या ऑफिस फर्नीचर से लेकर मॉड्यूलर किचन उपलब्ध है। कम कीमत में बेहतरीन गुणवत्ता का पूरा भरोसा। ऑर्किड बिल्डिंग, ऑपोजिट वेघा सर्कल, 2.5 माइल, सेवक रोड, सिलीगुड़ी।
International Furniture, unbeatable price. Visit a Royal Oak store today.